Hello viewers, welcome to AGK Knowledge. Today I am going to tell you about the top 10 major militaries in the world. The main criterion in judging this is the power index. The less the power index is, the more powerful the country is. The 10th country in the list is Brazil. The PWR-INDX or power index of Brazil is 0.1988. They have an active personnel of 334,500 and a reserve personnel of 134,000. They have 43 fighters and 254 helicopters. They have 437 tanks, 697 total artillery and 84 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 112. They have a defense budget of 27,800,000,000 US dollars. On the 9th position, we have Egypt. The power index of Egypt is 0.1827. They have an active personnel of 440,000 and a reserve personnel of 480,000. They have 4,295 tanks and 3,328 total artillery and 1,084 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 316 and their defense budget is 11,200,000,000 US dollars. The 8th country in our list is UK or United Kingdom. The power index of UK is 0.1717. They have an active personnel of 192,660 and a reserve personnel of 830,000. They have 133 fighters and 361 helicopters. They have 227 tanks, 215 total artillery and 35 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 88 and their defense budget is 55,100,000,000 US dollars. The next country in our list is France. The power index of France is 01702. They have an active personnel of 268,000 and a reserve personnel of 183,635. They have 269 fighters and 651 helicopters. They have 528 tanks, 121 total artillery and 13 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 180 and their defense budget is 41,500,000,000 US dollars. The next country in the list is South Korea. Their power index is 0.1509. They have an active personnel of 580,000 and a reserve personnel of 310,000. They have 414 fighters and 915 helicopters. They have 2614 tanks, 6,894 total artillery and 575 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 234 and their defense budget is 44 billion US dollars. The next country in our list is Japan. Japan's power index is 0.1501. Japan has an active personnel of 247,160 and a reserve personnel of 56,000. They have 279 fighters and 756 helicopters. They have 1,004 tanks, 738 total artillery and 99 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 155 and their defense budget is 49 billion US dollars. The next country in our list is India. India's power index is 0.0953. They have an active personnel of 1444000 and a reserve personnel of 2100000. They have 538 fighters and 745 helicopters. They have 4292 tanks, 4295 total artillery and 266 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 285 and their defense budget is 61 billion US dollars. The next country in our list is China. Their power index is 0.0691. They have an active personnel of 2183000 and a reserve personnel of 510000. They have 1232 fighters and 1192 helicopters. They have 3500 tanks, 7400 total artillery and 2650 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 777 and their defense budget is 237 billion US dollars. The second country is Russia. Their power index is 0.0681. They have an active personnel of 1013628 and a reserve personnel of 2000000. They have 873 fighters and 2053 helicopters. They have 12,000 tanks, 10,548 total artillery and 3,860 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 603 and their defense budget is 48 billion US dollars. The first country is USA or United States of America. Their power index is 0.0606. They have an active personnel of 1400000 and a reserve personnel of 860000. They have 2085 fighters and 6735 helicopters. They have 6289 tanks, 4205 total artillery and 1366 rocket projectors. In Navy, they have a total asset of 490 and their defense budget is 750 billion US dollars. Thank you viewers. Wait for the next video.